Hi, Contractor John here again today, and thought I'd do some more viewer questions today. You get a lot of them, so I thought I'd take some time and answer some of them. First question comes from Christine. We're in the middle, or I'm sorry, we're at the beginning stages of adding more space to our home. We have 3 bids for the work. Bid number 1 is $52,000. Bid number 2 is $49,500, and the third bid is $35,000, which is close to the top of our budget. How would you handle this kind of situation? Well, Christine, I would be scared of the $35,000 budget. That's number one. When they're that far apart, there's something wrong. You have 3 bids, and if they're within 5% of each other, then take the center one and go 5%. Then that's something that I'd be comfortable with. I mean, realistically speaking, materials are the same price if they're all pricing the same materials. If it's a bigger company, they may get a little bigger break on pricing and stuff, but not that much. There's other things that factor into it, like the business model and those kind of things, how they run the company. But it's not going to be that much. We're talking about a 15% difference in price on a $50,000 job. That there's something drastically wrong here. The thing that I would ask you to do is take a step back, go to Remodeling Magazine's Cost versus Value Survey, which I've talked about before, and look and see what the project should be costing you. Define the scope, and then the region, and then see what it should be costing you. And I will bet you'll find it's in that $50,000 range. Now you say the $35,000 bid was near the top of your budget, so maybe it's you can't afford the scope of this project, and that's reality, and that's okay too. There may be something you can do to work with one of those other 2 contractors to bring the cost of the project down a little bit. If it's okay with the contractor and with the village, maybe you could have them do the structure, finish the whole outside of everything, and leave the inside with just the electrical done, no insulation, no drywall, no flooring, and obviously no painting, trim, and that. And you and your husband, little sweat equity, you guys could finish the project. And maybe that's the way you could get the footprint and the scope and bring the budget price down so you guys could afford it. But I would absolutely tell you stay away from the $35,000 bid. That's not going to turn out good. So hope that helps you. Next question.